Create a new videoReferee project for one workplace. In the Slow-Mo Launcher app, click Create New button. The General Settings window will open. In the highlighted area, select the referee work mode. Change the project name. Configure the number of video channels. Select the video resolution and frame rate. Also, select the project record storage and duration. In the highlighted area, configure the display on which the main interface will be presented. If necessary, configure the camera layout. In the videoReferee settings, select the desired sport from the drop-down list. In the additional window, configure the event marks, color and name. Configure VR buttons, connection, color, and name. In the next window, configure the camera's layout. For hockey, cameras of the left and right sides. These settings are used for event export. In the highlighted area, configure the scoreboard controller. Select the used model from the drop-down list. Specify the connection port and connection speed. Test the synchronization. In the next area, we can configure workplaces. In this example, we need to connect the Control VR remote control panel to the workplace. The network connection. Enter the connection address. Then check the synchronization. After a successful connection, open the I/O boards tab. We need to specify a name for each channel. Select the connection type. Configure the physical connector on the board. Select the input video format. Configure the video time shift. And select the camera model. If a video image is connected by SDI, select Don't Use option in this field. If a camera specification is needed, select it from the drop-down list. The camera address is also specified here. Click on the highlighted icon to synchronize. The remaining cameras will synchronize with this camera. This option is available not for all camera types. Specify the names of the remaining channels. It is recommended to choose channel names that immediately identify the purpose or location of the cameras. Configure the output channel. Select the type from the drop-down list. In this example, we use the display type. Select the second connector. Open the Summary tab. Save the project in the previously selected storage. Click the Run Current button to launch the project. Wait for the project to launch. This may take some time, depending on the complexity of the built configuration.